Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can import an MS project file into Primavera. So let's begin the video. Here I have a sample MS project file which I want to import in Primavera. So the first thing that you need to know is that you cannot directly import an MS project file into Primavera. You need to convert it into XER format which Primavera supports, and then you can import the whole project or the resources. For this, make sure to save your MS project file. After that, here I have the test project file. You are going to open any browser and you are going to open the website. I will put this website link in the video description. So basically what this website does is converts your Microsoft project file into an XER file which Primavera supports, and this is one of the few websites which correctly converts your Microsoft project file into Primavera file, where all of your predecessors etc are also preserved, your resources, your estimations are reserved. In some websites all of this data is lost, but this website does its job pretty good in converting Microsoft project files into Primavera files. We are going to click on browse file, select the MS project file that you want to convert. In my case it's test project. Click on open and it will start the conversion process. So from here, save as XER, convert now. Once the file has been converted, click on download now and you can see the file has been downloaded. Here is the converted MS project file, as you can see. So we're not going to directly open it, we're going to open Primavera. Click on file, import Primavera XER, make sure this is selected, click on next. So import time, do you want to import the entire project, the resources only, or the roles only? In my case the entire project. Click on next. So we're going to browse the file that we just converted. In my case it's test project. Click on open, next. Here you can see it says import to TEO, which means that the project will be a child of the main TEO branch, which I don't want. I want it to be a part of the web support under software support. So for that I'm going to double click on the cell under software support. I'm going to select web support and double tap on it. So now the project will be a child of web support. After that, click on next, next again, click on finish, and now the project will be imported. I'm going to click on close, and here under software support we have web support, and then we have our test project, and it's going to show you the durations and all the other different things. And if you want to see the activities within the project, just select the project. On the top, click on project, click on activities, and it's going to show you any activities that are present within the project. In my case it's showing task 1 and any activities that are present in it. If I go to project again, resource assignment or WBS, it's going to show me the work breakdown structure as well. As you can see right here, since this was a very small project file, it's not going to show a lot of the things. And the last thing that I want to tell you, that this process is not 100% accurate of converting MS project file and importing it into Primavera. Maybe some of your activities or dependencies are broken or lost. Maybe some of your estimations become incorrect. So do double check it when you import the project in Primavera and make the necessary changes, because this process is not 100% accurate, that you should know. So yeah guys, in this way you can import an MS project file into Primavera. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.